Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I am Omar Mehedi Hassan from group 12. Our group is represent the pattern making of a t-shirt and marker making. So in our group there is from ID is 215056 to 215061 and from 19 series 195057. So our presentation will start by definition of the pattern, and it will be it will start by Ali Murad.
Thank you, Mehedi Hassan bhai, for giving this opportunity. My name is Muhammad Ali Murad. My ID is 215057. I am going to present about pattern making. Pattern making. What is pattern making? Pattern is a hard paper on which different component of garments of a particular style are sketched according to the measurement of a garment. Next slide is different type of pattern. There are three types of pattern making: block pattern, working pattern, and production pattern. Block pattern: adjust the body measurement, make a pattern is called block pattern. This pattern absents the design, style, and grain line, and this is pattern used in tailoring system. Next, working pattern: adjust the body measurement, present the design, style, and grain line is called working pattern. Make the pattern use the simple garments for garments in industries. And production pattern: adjust the standard body measurement, make the pattern is called production pattern. These pattern are used the production for garments industries. Next slide is method of pattern making. Method of pattern making: there are three types of pattern making method: flat method, modeling method, এবং computer aided method. Flat method: in this method the pattern of different parts of garments are made by technological drawing by manual or computerized system. And modeling pattern: it is a very old and widely using method. In this method made by standard body measurement of a dummy of this pattern, it is very difficult and but higher time is required. The next slide is how pattern are made: knock off, draping, pattern drafting, and flat pattern. Knock off: tracing this pattern piece from the existing garments. And draping: using fabric on a dress form to create pattern shape which are transferred to paper. And pattern drafting: using measurement make from mat to create sloper pattern. And flat pattern: manipulating previously developed sloper pattern to create design pattern. That's all about my presentation. Now the next slide continue this Mehedi Hassan.
Added fullness. This is the another way to provide a shape in the specific area of the garments. And here is the example I provide. That is the example of after added fullness, and it refers the increasing the amount of fabric in the design to create a volume or texture. And there is a benefit. It can create a dramatic or feminine effect. And third one is contouring. This is the another way to provide a shape of the body, and the right picture is denoted the after contouring, and the left is denoted the before contouring. So we can see here the after contouring garments are very fitted with the body very well, and the before contouring garments are not very fitted well. So this is the contouring, and there is the measurement of a t-shirt of XL size that we got from a XL size t-shirt. Here is the full length, that is 72 centimeter. This is considered from 0 to 1, and this is the full length. And sky depth, that is 31 centimeter, and this is considered from 0 to 2. And third one is the half of back width, that is 21 centimeter, and that is considered from 2 to 3. And half chest, that is the line from 2 to 4 centimeter, sorry, 2 to 4, and the measurement is 25.5 centimeter. And the half of neck width, that is 0 to 7, that is 7 centimeter. And the front neck drop, this measurement is from 0 to 8, and that is front neck drop 9 centimeter, and back neck drop is equal to 2.5 centimeter, that is from 0 to 9. And length of waist, that is considered from 0 to 10, and which is 15.5 centimeter. And half waist, that is 24 centimeter, that is considered from 10 to 11. And the half bottom, that is 25 centimeter, that is considered the line from 1 to 12. And the half shoulder, it is 14 centimeter, and it is considered from 0 to 13. The next one is the 0 to 1 full length, that is considered, I described it before, 0 to 1. And if we see the practically, the line is the right side is the example, the length of full length, and we add the 1 centimeter allowance. In the second one is the 0 to 2, this is the sky depth, and we provide the example, which is from the below the neck shoulder, below the shoulder, from the neck. This is for my my side, the presentation. The next topic will be present Abdullah Omar.
Mehedi Hassan, Assalamu alaikum, sir. I hope you are fit and fine by the grace of Allah. Myself, Abdullah Omar. My student ID is 215061. Now, I would like to say something about pattern drafting on the basis of XL size t-shirt. Now, we take the 3 and 2 point of half back of width. In this measurement is made by on the basis of this point, and we add 1 centimeter for the allowance. And then we take half of half chest plus 1 centimeter. This point is 2 and 2 to 4 point. This is get for this point in this figure. And then next we draw 0 to 5 point. This is take from this XL size t-shirt. On the basis of XL size, this is this point. And then we next And now we will draw the 1 to 6 point. This point is similar to the 2 and 4 line. Basically the measurement is to same as figure. And then we draw the 0 to 7. This is the measurement of half of neck width. Half of neck width is in this figure, and we subtract 1 to 5 centimeter for allowance. Then next we done the 0 to 8 line. 0 to 8 line, basically this line is front neck drop. This line is similar like this figure. We measuring the XL size t-shirt, and we subtract 1 centimeter for allowance. Now next we done the 0 to 9 line. This line is the back neck drop line, and as the figure we seen that this line is 2 point. And then we drawn the 0 to 10 line. This line is the width of measurement of length to waist. This line is so as same as this figure. This is top point and this is bottom point. And now then next we will draw the 10 to 11 line. This measurement of half waist, and we add 1 centimeter for allowance. We seen that this is the similar. And that's all about my presentation. Now this presentation is continued by MD Sakibul Hasan. Thank you sir for your patience.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, my groupmate MD Abdullah Omar, to give me a chance to say something. My name is MD Shakibul Hassan. My ID 215056. My presentation topics: pattern making of t-shirt and marker making. My previous teammate discussed about some topics and explain the next topics to me. So go to the part. 0 to 13. Half of shoulder to shoulder square down from 30. Next slide. 07 to 14. Draw 22-degree shoulder draw from 7 the intersect with the lines down from 30. Next slide. 07 to 09. Draw back neck curve. Next slide. 7 to 8. Draw front neck curve. Next slide. 14 to 4. Draw armhole curve. Next slide. Join 12, 11 and 4 as a curve. Continue my teammate MD Shakil Hossain.
Thank you, my group partner Shakibul Hassan. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Before I begin, let me introduce myself briefly. I am MD Shakil Hossain. I study in Dhaka University of Engineering and Technology, Duet, Gazipur. My student identify number 195057. First of all, thanks my honorable teacher, Dr. Furkan Sorkar sir, giving us this opportunity. Today I am going to talk about marker making. Did you know that what is marker making? This is arrangement of pattern pieces on the fabric layout. It ensures efficient fabric utilization and minimize waste. Example: arranging the bodice pattern pieces along with sleeve and skirt pattern on a large sheet of paper to plan the fabric cutting. Now come to the point. Key points about markers. Efficiency. It optimizes fabric uses by planning the placement of pattern pieces. Design shows the precise arrangement of garments part such as sleeves, collars and front. Size can be created for different size and shapes of garments. Sometimes called a marker set, manual or digital. Originally drawn by hand, but now often created using computer-aided design. Now, my next team partner next will be present by Rocky.
Thank you, Shakil Hossain. Hello everyone, my name is Rocky Harizon. My student ID is 215059. Now I am talking about the method of marker making. There are two methods of marker making. One manual method, two CAD method. Manual marker making method. In manual marker making method, pattern pieces are manually or physically arranged on marker paper by hand to create a marker. And computer marker making method. In computer marker making method, uses software to arrange pattern pieces on digital platform to create marker. Advantages and disadvantages of manual marker making. Advantages: precision and accuracy. Manual marker making allows for careful adjustment to leading to high accuracy in pattern placement. Efficiency. Proper manual techniques can achieve efficient fabric utilization. And then ease of modification. Changes in pattern can be easily implemented. For low fabric waste. When done skillfully, it minimizes fabric wastages. Low fabric waste. When done, disadvantages. Initial cost high. Setting up manual processes may require significant investment in tools or materials. Required skillful operator. Trained personnel are necessary for effective manual marker making. Dependency on technology. Despite being manual, some aspects may still rely on technological aids. Marker efficiency. Marker efficiency is the ratio of total area of all pattern pieces on marker to the total area of the marker. It expressed as a percentage. The formula of marker efficiency is total area of pattern pieces on marker divided by total area of marker into 100. We can calculate marker efficiency by weight. The formula is marker efficiency equal weight of fabric consumed by pattern pieces in a marker by total weight of fabric into 100. Factors affecting marker efficiency. Fabric width. Fabric width of the fabric directs influence how efficiently pattern pieces can be placed. Mismatched width can be lead to waste. Marker length. Longer marker allows more pattern pieces to be arranged, improving fabric utilization. However, it depends on the cutting and fabric roll length. Pattern size and shape. The complexity and size of the patterns impact how well they fit together. Odd shapes may create gaps, reducing efficiency. Grain line alignment. Proper alignment of pattern pieces with the fabric grain ensures garment quality but can limit placement options, affecting efficiency. Marker planner. The skillful and experienced person can planning the marker play a crucial role in optimizing fabric usage. So this is our presentation so far. Thank you for taking your valuable time to view our presentation. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.